Pricing is an integral part of any business strategy and a critical function in SAP. In this video, I will explain about scales in pricing, their relevance, how they are maintained and used in SAP. Scales helps in creating flexible pricing strategies based on certain criteria such as quantities ordered, weight or values. Let's take an example of a business which sells a product in kilograms. Now, they want to set up the pricing in the following manner. Let's see how these condition records are set up and how prices are determined during sales order creation depending on the scenario.
Now let's create the pricing condition records as per the requirement. Since the price condition record is already maintained, we will go to VK12 to add pricing scales. After entering the input criteria such as sales organization and material for which we want to maintain the pricing scales, we will see the following screen. Select the line item and click on scales. On this screen, you would see an existing line. In the next lines, we will enter and maintain the records as follows. From 100 kilograms, the prices should be 90 per kilogram, and from 200 kilograms, the prices should be 80 per kilogram. Click on save and your scale pricing records are maintained. Now, let's create sales order to see how the system determines the prices based on the material ordered. In this scenario, let's check what happens when the customer orders for 99 kilograms. As per our requirement, the prices determined should be 100 per kilogram. We can see here that the prices are correctly determined. Now let's create an order for a scenario where a customer orders for 110 kilograms. As per our requirement and prices maintained, the price determined should be 90 per kilogram. We can see here that the prices are correctly determined. Our last scenario in this demo would be to create a sales order where a customer orders for 200 or more kilograms of material. As per requirement and prices maintained, the price should be 80 per kilogram. We can see here that the prices are correctly determined. There you have it. In this video, we have seen how pricing scales are maintained and used in SAP.